Discussion on geometry is incomplete without discussing this type of questions where you have to count the number of sleeping lines, slanting lines and standing lines. Let us read the question first. The given figure, this is the given figure. The given figure has dash sleeping lines, dash slanting lines and dash standing line, and then you are given four options. Before proceeding further, let us discuss what are sleeping lines, slanting lines and standing lines. So sleeping lines. Sleeping lines are simply horizontal line. That means these are straight lying lines on the plane. It is called sleeping line. Please remember that when you sleep horizontally on a bed, and it is very easy to remember that the lines which are horizontal are called sleeping lines. Next, let us see what standing lines are. So standing line is simply a vertical line. So how we stand? We stand vertically on a ground. So we stand vertically on a ground. So that is a standing line. Lastly, we have got slanting lines. Slanting lines are lines which are inclined or slanted. What is inclined or slanted? Inclined or slanted means which are not the lines which are neither sleeping lines nor standing lines. That means they may be like this, they may be like this. The only thing is that they are not sleeping and they are also not standing. So this is not a slanting line, this is also not a standing line. Apart from these two type of lines, any other lines is a slanting line. They are inclined, they are inclined to the plane. So I hope that you have understood how you can differentiate between these three type of lines. Now let us coming back to our question. We have to count the number of sleeping lines, the number of sleeping lines, the number of slanting lines and the number of standing lines. So let us do that. First of all, we will count the sleeping lines. So let us denote sleeping lines by a single cut mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 sleeping lines over here. I hope that you cannot find any other sleeping lines in the given figure. So this is lying horizontally, this particular line is lying horizontally, this particular line is also lying horizontally, this particular line is lying horizontally, and the other two also. So there are 5 sleeping lines, so we can comfortably fill this gap with 5. So now after counting the number of sleeping lines, we can eliminate option A because option A has got 6 for the first blank and option D has also got 6 for the first blank, and these two are obviously not the answers. So and option B has got 5, yes. Option C has also got 5 as the first option for the first blank. So either B or C will be the correct answer. So please remember this process of elimination. This will help you in answering your questions in many ways. Next, let us count the number of slanting lines. Slanting lines, as we have seen that slanting lines are lines which are neither sleeping nor standing, but they are inclined. So you can very perfectly see the inclined lines. Let us denote inclined lines by 2 cut marks. This is an inclined line, it is inclined. You can see this is neither straight nor standing, so this is inclined line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can very comfortably write 7 slanting lines are there in the given figure. So just by counting the slanting lines only, you can arrive at the answer that option B is the right answer, because option C has got 6 for the second blank. So you see, without counting the number of standing lines, you can arrive at the right answer, that is option B. So this process of elimination is very important, where you can eliminate wrong answers as you solve the questions. So this will help you to solve question fast, but for the sake of completeness, let us also count the number of standing lines. So what are standing lines? Standing lines are vertical lines. So vertical lines lines standing. So let us denote standing lines by small dots. So this is one standing lines. You can see that this is vertically standing on the floor. So 1, 2, 3. This is another one, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The base of the arrows so are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there are 7 standing lines over here. There are 5 sleeping lines, 7 slanting lines and 7 standing lines. So the only option which fits into the answer is option B, 5, 7, 7. 5, 7, 7. So option B is the right answer. So I hope you got the point what I needed to tell you. Again, let me revise what I have told you. Sleeping line is a horizontal line, standing line is a vertical line, slanting line is an inclined line. In actual question paper, you should mark different type of sleeping lines, slanting lines and standing lines by different type of cut marks or dots so that you do not get confused. It may also happen that you may arrive at the answer by process of eliminating wrong answers. So I hope that you have understood. Please remember these steps, concepts and practice more and more. Thank you.